Welcome back to the channel. Today we learn how to use Hino DX3, the official diagnostic explorer for Hino trucks. This is the complete workflow from connection to repair verification. Plug your adapter into the diagnostic port and switch the ignition on. Open DX3 and connect. The software detects the truck model and engine automatically, loading the correct data set. Start every job with a health check. DX3 scans all systems and produces a one-page summary of faults and status. In 2 minutes you know exactly where to focus. The fault code screen shows active and stored codes with clear descriptions and freeze frame data. Fix the cause, clear the codes, and run the health check again to confirm. Use data monitoring to watch the engine live. Rail pressure, boost, and exhaust temperatures update in real time. Comparing against specification catches problems before they become breakdowns. When the particulate filter loads up, run a forced regeneration from DX3. Park the truck safely, start the procedure, and monitor soot burn progress live until the filter is clean. After replacing injectors, enter the new correction codes in DX3. This calibrates the ECM for the exact injectors installed, restoring smooth idle and correct fuel delivery. Quick tips. Keep battery voltage stable during procedures. Update DX3 regularly for new model coverage. And record fault data before clearing, because history is evidence. That is Hino DX3 from health check to calibration. We provide the full version with remote installation and support at diagramtechpro.com. Subscribe for more guides, and see you in the next video.